Hey Chica Beauties, Kat Franklin here, and I'm going to give you some quick tips on how to achieve this beautiful bold lip using the new MIJA lip shade from Chica Beauty Cosmetics. Let's get started. Alright Chica Beauties, so what I've done with my lips is I have hydrated them with a little bit of lip balm. You can also use coconut oil. It's one of my favorite things to use to hydrate my lips. So I went ahead and I hydrated and exfoliated my lips prior to doing this tutorial. So they are super smooth and they are ready for lipstick. And like I said, I'm going to use the Chica Beauty MIJA lip shade. It is just so pretty and I love it. And I know you will too. So what I love about these lipsticks is the applicators. They are the doe foot applicators and they are super easy to apply, but what I like to do is I like to use the pointy part as a lip liner and I like to outline my lips. So let me show you how I do that. I get in super close into my mirror and then what I like to do is start at the points of my lips, and what I'm going to do is start here and using the point of the applicator, I just bring it down that way. So super easy swipe down and back that way. So again, just starting at the point and bringing that in and doing the same on the opposite side. So once I already have the center of my lips done, I'm going to start at the inner corners of my lips. To again use the point, and I am just connecting the lines, turning it over and doing the same on the other side. Like that. And it doesn't have to be perfect on the first application. I like to go back and just kind of fine tune and sharpen up any of those edges. I like to grab a little more product and go back in there and fill it in. Just like that. Once you have the outline down, it's pretty easy. You can just kind of go, if you want to go inwards or outwards, whatever's easiest for you. Once I have that completed, then I'm going to start outlining the bottom lip. And just bringing it in towards the center, turning my applicator over, and I'm doing it on the other side now. Just like that. So now I have my outline. Next part is the fun part because I'm going to fill in my lips, but I love this shade, so I'm gonna kind of go crazy and put maybe 2 layers on, but if you'd like to do that too, the choice is yours. I'm using the flat part of the applicator. And back and forth. And I do like to press my lips together. There you go. If you need some more product, go right ahead. And I am just filling it in. Making sure to stay in the lines. This shade is so beautiful. And there you have it, Chica Beauties. Quick and simple, and you are ready to make a statement. I hope you have a good one. Take care.